Hey guys, welcome to day 1 of 5 Days of Color with Huda Beauty and her little Obsessions palettes. So the first palette we are doing today is the Sapphire one, and these are the colors in it. Excuse my nails, I used 7 out of 9 colors. So I did give you guys a pretty good variety of how to use them with each other. And I tried to, make a crazy look, and I ended up going full-blown mermaid. I mean, sorry not sorry, because mermaids are the best things ever. So if you guys are interested in becoming a mermaid in the middle of winter, then just keep watching. But also, I was gonna say something. What was I going to say? Okay, bye. Don't worry about this blend. When we add the eyeliner, it's gonna look much better, I promise. I am just taking some tape, making it less sticky on my hand real quick. And I am taking the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner. Alright, we are super mermaidy right now, but that's okay. Mermaid vibes in winter. Let's move on with the rest of our face let's go ahead and do our blush. For the blush, since I did like a lot of mattes on the top, they're like all mattes, no shimmers. I'm actually gonna do a shimmery blush. It's the Urban Decay Fireball Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Highlighter. And I'm gonna put this all over my cheeks. Alright, so now I'm gonna do highlighter. I actually have 2 highlighters. I'm using a Christmas present, but I'm also gonna put on like a highlighter topper. Like, we're just going straight up mermaid. There's no rules in makeup, right? No, I'm gonna be a mermaid in winter if I want to. Okay, I am going in with my Becca Prismatic Amethyst, and it is, don't mind my nails, sorry about that. It's kind of like this really pretty light purpley highlight, so I'm gonna do a thicker coat of this, and then I'm gonna do a thinner coat of the highlight topper. So, wow, that's powdery. Oh my gosh, this has the tiniest little mirror. Like, I can see what I'm doing, not really. Alright, let's just see what this... Yeah, that kind of blends right in with the blush. It's like a pink and then a purple. Straight up mermaid. Not even mad. Oh, that's pretty. And then we're going to do silver sparkles over the top of this. With the Fenty Diamond Bomb, let's do the Fenty highlight. So this is, well, I mean, it's just basically straight up glitter. So pretty. Boop. Boop. Alright, and I think all we have left is just our lips. And for the lips, I am using the Color Splash lipstick in Beach Babe by Tarte. And this is a teeny tiny little sample, but it's still amazing. It's just a really beautiful nude. I always make my beauty mark disappear. I don't know if you guys ever see that, but it is right there. And it always gets covered up by foundation. Or when I decide to, you know, overdraw my lips, which happens quite a lot. But, you know, if you guys, fun fact, if you guys ever have a beauty mark and you cover it up and you're like, I want my beauty mark back, it's just easy. Just take, you know, the closest color to it, which mine is a dark brown, and just lightly draw it back on. There we go. Beauty mark is back in business. Alright, well that is the final look with the first palette of 5 Days of Color, Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions. Okay, oh yes. If you guys are into blues, and if you guys are into Huda Beauty's formula, I think you guys will really enjoy this little palette here. And it's got a really nice variety of a whole bunch of different blues, and these blend beautifully, and I didn't have any issues whatsoever, and I really love the look I created. I actually didn't think I was going to use that chartreuse green, and that's like the most color I went into. Like, I was always dipping into that to re-blend things out, so I really enjoyed it. And if you guys ended up liking this video, let me know in the comments, or let me know if you guys have any videos on any of these Huda Beauty Obsessions. And this is day 1 of 5, so tomorrow we will be doing Ruby. So keep an eye out for that if you guys are into Ruby Obsessions. But that's all I have for this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow on my next one. Bye! Can you hear my wind chime? Can you hear it? It's going crazy right now. Alright, so I'm gonna... Who's gonna stop me? What was I gonna say? I guess that's all I have.